If your garbage disposal is making grinding noises because something got stuck inside, you gotta handle it right away before it turns into a bigger mess. So, first off, never just shove your hand down there. Seriously, no one wants a trip to the emergency room. Instead, unplug the disposal or switch off the circuit breaker to keep things safe. Grab a flashlight and peek inside to spot any foreign objects like bones, utensils, or fruit pits causing the noise. Use a pair of tongs or pliers to carefully fish out whatever's stuck. Don't try to force it if it's not coming out easily. If you see the disposal's little impellers jammed up, grab an Allen wrench and turn the bottom crank, usually found under the unit, back and forth to loosen things up. Running cold water while you do this helps flush out debris and keeps things cool. Once you're sure everything's out, plug it back in and test it on a low setting to see if the grinding stopped. Remember, regular maintenance like avoiding fibrous or hard stuff in your disposal can prevent future jams and noises. One of the biggest problems people face with garbage disposal grinding noises comes from ignoring foreign objects stuck inside. First, forcing the disposal to run when jammed can burn out the motor. Always switch it off before checking. Second, using your hands to get stuck items is risky and can cause injuries. Always use tools like pliers or tongs. Third, not running enough water during and after use leads to clogs and buildup that cause grinding sounds. Keep that water flowing. Fix these by always turning off power first, using proper tools, and running plenty of cold water when using your disposal. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who can fix stuff like garbage disposals fast and right. Plus, if you are a contractor, it's a solid way to get work and build your reputation with real customers nearby.